Let me demonstrate how to create a page curl effect in CapCut PC using this sample image. First, drag your image onto the timeline. Duplicate this clip and layer the copy directly above the original. Rotate the duplicated clip twice using the rotate function. At the start of the duplicated clip, add a transform keyframe. Move the playhead to the clip's endpoint. In the preview screen, drag the image diagonally to the upper left corner until it exits the preview frame. Select both image layers, right-click, and create a compound clip. Navigate to Video Masks and choose the horizontal mask option. Rotate the mask line. Add a mask keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Move the playhead to the clip's end position. Gradually drag the mask line toward the upper left corner while maintaining its angle. Your page curl effect is now complete. Preview your work to see the realistic page turning animation. Hope this technique enhances your editing projects. Thanks for watching.